Hi, this is Nikki from the Apttus team. In this video, I'm going to show how Apttus for Excel can be used to simplify CRM data migration with less manual user interaction than other migration tools, such as the Salesforce Data Loader. Apttus works across CRMs, but for this video, I'm going to work in Salesforce. To migrate data using Apttus, I first need to build an Apttus app. I'll do this using the Apttus Data Migration Wizard. First, I need to connect to the database that contains the data I want to move. The Data Migration Wizard makes building Apttus apps fast and easy with our built-in intelligence. I'll select the New option to begin a new app. Let me give this app a name, Account and Children Migration, as I want this app to move account data along with the related data from some of its child objects. It's easy to pick my objects. For this demo, I'll use the account, opportunity, case, and contact objects. Apttus has the intelligence to identify the lookups and recommend which ones to use in your app. Next, I'll select the fields within each object that the app needs to pull data from. I can scroll to find fields, or use the quick search box. Apttus detects external ID fields from the objects and easily allows users to select the desired external ID fields. This prevents duplicate record creation over multiple data migrations. Now I'll use the app to migrate some data. Ahead of performing the migration, the app created in the source database will need to be moved to the target database. The app now has an Apttus menu that allows the user to pull data from the source org and then to later push data to the target org. I'll use the Export All button to have the app pull all account records from the source org and then pull all related records from the child objects. Once the data is displayed, I can scroll across it to review and modify data as needed. The Save Source Data button will update my source org with any changes and prompt me to specify where a copy of the workbook should be saved. After closing Excel, I will reopen it and connect to the database where I want to migrate the data to. I'll use the App menu to open the Data Migration app, which I moved to the target org before connecting. Selecting the Paste from Mapping option will allow me to specify the workbook on my computer containing the data I want to migrate. The data will flow into my active app from the stored workbook, but this time it won't have record IDs as Apttus is anticipating them being created by the new database when the data is uploaded. We have maintained the values in the external ID columns, however, to ensure that no duplicate data is created when the upload process is triggered. Apttus has inserted Excel formulas into relevant lookup fields across the objects to ensure that data relationships are maintained during the upload process. The Save All menu button will trigger the upload process. The app starts by uploading data from the highest object in the data hierarchy, and then moves down the data model, creating the data across each of the subsequent child objects. Once the upload process is complete for each object, the end user is given a summary of any records which may have not successfully loaded along with the reason why the upload failed. No matter how complex your data migration needs, Apttus can make it simple and fast. Please contact us if you have any questions around how Apttus can be used to enhance your data migration plans.